Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set the date function on your Seiko mechanical automatic watch. It can either be a manual wind or an automatic watch, it doesn't matter, as long as you have the date complication or the date complication as this model has. You can use this tutorial in order to set the date. Now the first thing and maybe the most important thing from this video that you want to remember is to always have the watch hands at 6:30 when you change the date. Now you want to do that because on most watches the date wheel engages either between 9 and 12 or between 12 and 3 o'clock. Now when I want to set the time at 6:30, I'm going to pull the crown all the way and I'm going to set the time at 6:30. As you can see, this movement also has a hacking, meaning that when I pull the crown all the way, the second hands stop. Now as you can see, both hands are on the lower part of the dial, so the lower half. Now, if I want to change the date and make it, let's say, the 20th of the month, so the day of the month to be the 20th, and here to be Monday. Now, what I would like to do first in order to make sure that I am AM or PM is to go on the 19th and also make it here Sunday. You want to set it one day before because you want to make sure that your watch is set AM or PM, and I'm going to show you why. So once again, I have placed the watch hands at 6:30. I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, pull it to the first position. In this position, I can actually change the date. So I'm going to make it the 19th. And when I go on the opposite direction, I want to leave it on Sunday, and you can choose between English and French, English and Japanese, depending on what kind of day of the week you have. Then I'm going to pull the crown all the way once again in order to set the time. Let me move the seconds hand a little. Pull it all the way, and now I'm going to go past 12. As you can see, it did not change because I was AM when I actually made the time setting. Now I'm going to go once again past 12, and you will be able to already see how the date wheel engages. As you can see, it starts to move, so between 9 and 12, the first part, and now also the second part, meaning that this one engages between 12 and 3 o'clock. And now I know that I am on the 20th of the month, on Monday, and now the watch is showing AM. So if I want to have it on PM, so let's say 5 PM, I need to go once again past 12. If you are setting it at 7 in the morning, you will leave it here at 7 o'clock. If not, you will go past 12 once again if you want to make it PM. So 5 PM. So once again, guys, you set the date at one day before, and that way you can actually know whether you are AM or PM. First thing, move the hands at 6:30, then go all the way back in, pull it to the first position, set the date one day before, then pull the crown once again all the way, go past 12 to know whether you are AM or PM. You are now AM, and then you can actually go once again over 12 to know if you are PM. So guys, that is how you set the time on your Seiko mechanical watch. It can be a manual wind watch or an automatic. Once again, guys, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.